Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I've got something really cool to show you. This giant Lego cookies machine. It offers 5 different types of cookies. And as I really want some, let's get started. First we have to start the program on the Lego Mindstorm's intelligent brick. Then we can take a look at all the cookies we can pick. As I said, the machine has 5 different options, which you can select with the buttons on the side. Then you can confirm your choice with the green button. When you put €1 in the machine, it will let you pick 2 cookies. The machine only accepts €1 coins. It rejects the 5-cent, 10-cent and 20-cent coins, and 50-cent coins don't fit. The earnings are collected in a small bin, which is hidden in the side of the machine. The screen of the Lego Mindstorm's brick gives information and shows instructions during the process. The dispensing mechanism is powered by 2 medium motors. The motors move from left to right, and at the selected cookie, it'll push the bottom cookie from the stack. It then moves back to its original position, waiting for another order. That'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can let me know by hitting that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below this video. For now, I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time, and bye.